Hi, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to turn on and off set automatically date and time on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X, from your home screen first, go to Settings. Then in the Settings, scroll down and click the General. Then in the General, scroll down and click the Date and Time. Then after that, in the date and time, find the set automatically, and as you will see, there's a switch button on the right side of it. Then all you have to do is just click it to enable until it becomes green. And if you want to disable, just click again the switch button. And that's it, we have successfully turned on and off set automatically date and time on iPhone X. If you have a question, can you comment down below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!